Welcome to my channel. This is my living room entrance. I want to give this a simple makeover. This is an old table. I covered it with a curtain fabric and placed below the mirror. I put flower vases and showpieces already I had at home. I placed tea light candles in a small tray. These are DIY thermacoal plates. I already did a video on it. Link is given in the description below. I stick them with sellotape. I hanged two Ganesh door hangings with the help of command hooks. I bought this wall shelf at Amazon. I put these plants to make it beautiful. This is how I decorate my living room entrance. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more and don't forget to hit the like button. Keep watching Mana Creative Corner.